Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. In today's episode of Easy Side Dishes and Dry Sabjis, it is a subscriber's request. We are making beetroot Poryal with no onion, no garlic, simple home style recipe. Here I have peeled and chopped about half kg of beetroots. Now take 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add some mustard seeds, urad dal, some jeera. Next, add in this beetroot. And mix it all well together. I am adding a small pinch of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Now sprinkle some water. You can add a few curry leaves also to this. Cover it and cook till done. Meanwhile, we will make a masala. So for this, take about 4 tablespoons of grated coconut. See, we have not added any dry red chilli in tempering, no chilli powder also. So the spice comes from this ginger and green chillies. I am adding about 1-inch piece of ginger and 2 green chillies. We will crush all these together without adding any water. See, our crushed ginger, green chilli and coconut is ready now. Just check this in between and give it a stir. It needs to cook a little bit more till all the water is absorbed. Let's open and check it now. See, the beetroot is well cooked and all the water has also been absorbed. Now at this stage we can switch it off. Now we will add this crushed coconut and green chilli to it and give it all a good mix. So our tasty, no onion, no garlic, simple and healthy beetroot Poryal is ready. It's a lovely combination for any type of rice. Now we are ready to serve a simple home style lunch of beetroot Poryal. Some steaming hot rice. Today I have made this konda kadale, that is the black chana vatta koyambu, and with a little bit of oil on top. Of course, you can serve it with other combinations also. I have just shown you what I am having for lunch today. Beetroot has many nutrients and it is especially good for those who are anemic. It's good for the heart, good to lower your blood cholesterol levels also, and also it helps to regulate your blood pressure. So definitely include wide variety of vegetables. That is why we are showing a new vegetable every day and a way of preparing it and including it in your everyday diet. This of course apart from the fiber, which is very important for your gut health too. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.